printers. When you get a set of tattoo paper, you have two sheets. One sheet you print off on, and the other sheet that you use is an adhesive sheet. The adhesive sheet is used to put on top of the printed tattoo paper, so you're sticking it directly onto the printed surface. The easiest way to do this is to peel off a small amount at the top and then place it on top of your printed sheet and run your fingers along the top so you're anchoring it down. Next, you need to use a metal ruler or any type of ruler and just press down so that you're not getting any air bubbles on the tattoo paper. If you keep pressing down, you'll see it's very simple and easy to do. And then you can use your ruler just to run over the finished tattoo paper just to make sure there aren't any air bubbles. Next, we're going to cut out the designs that we've created. You can use any designs to make tattoos out of. You could use pictures you've made yourself, drawings, photographs, clip art, anything you like you can print onto the tattoo paper. But one thing you must remember is always reverse your images. Here we have the finished tattoo paper, a bowl of water and some kitchen towel. With the tattoo paper facing you, you'll see that there's a thin sort of film on top of the tattoo paper. You need to peel that off, and underneath you reveal the picture with a sticky surface. Next, we need to put it directly onto the skin. So face down, we press the tattoo paper onto the surface of the skin and just give it a quick dab with your fingers to make sure it's stuck. Next, we're using the kitchen roll, which is saturated in water, and we're going to dab the tattoo paper with the kitchen roll for about a minute or so, and then you'll see the paper will be slipping off, and you can just peel off the paper to reveal the tattoo. And it dries very, very quickly, and it's very convincing, easy to use. It lasts for up to a week,